for the night. Thank you for the likes, Supermom. Let's go. Ooh. Oh man. Oh, let me get these. It's crazy. Sound effects. Okay. Might have to keep that one, Supermom. Um, okay. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. It's me right now. Hey, what's up? How you doing, Remy? On the battle?
I'm gonna get up here now. I don't know what I said, so
Boy, God,
which
that screen. We battling Remy, y'all. The beautiful women.
Rembrandt
We battling Remy, y'all. Let's go.
are boring.
Yeah.
Kids are off to school.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I had the little get ready on live
I'm at the
so they
press
could
the clap.
hopefully.
I'm at the press the clap. Stay off the school. You got your day. That's what's up.
Yeah, we just got back home. We just got back to the studio.
That's what's
We
up.
watched a little go by. It
Hmm.
was funny. It was too funny.
Where you located, Remy?
I'm in Connecticut.
Oh, okay, nice. I was supposed to be
See,
up in Connecticut. I didn't go.
you're from Connecticut.
For the
You said
1.1 likes, let's go, Supermom. Let's go. She tapping.
you said
She.
you're from Connecticut.
Now, I was supposed to go to Connecticut for a job last month.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Bridgeport.
No. Okay, Bridgeport. Get out,
Yeah,
girl. Oh.
yeah. I know somebody from Connecticut too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's what's up. That's what's up.
Yeah.
Let's go, y'all. Tap it up.
Chop it up, guys. She got 3 wins. Let's take her
Yeah.
nugget.
Let's not focus on those wins over here.
I like your green screen picture.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. I,
Thanks.
yeah. You're
Sorry, I'm
beautiful.
so rough this morning.
Nah, not at
Girl, listen.
all.
I got one more shot to get rid of. For real. She just follow me everywhere I go. I'm about to trip over her neck.
Oh wow.
What, mama? What are you asking for? I don't know what it is. No more. No more. Beautiful.
Supermom
Girl,
saying I'm
my
making
room was keep
uh
acting up.
I, I don't have any money for breakfast, Supermom. I am gonna be drinking water and ice in a minute.
How you doing, beautiful? What's your plans for today? I thought it was gonna rain again today. It didn't rain. It feels like it's gonna be a little humid today. I don't know.
Today, right? I hope it's not
Mm.
raining.
It feel real sticky.
I don't know, Supermom.
My,
I might have to eat some oats. I got some oats in the cabinet. I might have to eat some oatmeal.
you ready some oats?
Yeah, I might have to eat some oatmeal.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, Supermom asked me what I was making for breakfast.
I'm not really an oatmeal fan. I like farina.
Oh yeah, I love farina. Mm-mm. I love both, but
I like
farina.
oatmeal, but I'm just not a big fan. Shit, I
See, the
love me some
farina, you could
oatmeal.
throw the butter in there and then
Shit,
throw in some evaporated milk and some milk in there.
I substitute the oatmeal for some
Sugar.
grits.
Yeah, some carnation milk. Get to go. She said, I didn't ask you to buy. Come to my kitchen and cook. She want to cook. She want me to cook breakfast. Me to cook
I'm
breakfast.
the only one who does this. What?
Yeah,
When I
I,
receive
yeah.
packages, you know how information on the box.
Yeah.
I'm like it off with like a marker, so I toss it out.
Oh yeah. I do.
You say you do that too,
Yeah. Def-
or I'll peel it off, but I don't feel like doing all that. I'm gonna
yeah.
put some black nail polish.
Yeah. Sometimes I even rip it up and throw it in two different garbages.
Oh, well. I'm screaming. I'm just trying to set the paper on fire or whatever. Burn
Yeah.
y'all.
You never know who's going through your trash.
No, for real. But you're nasty if you do.
Right. He said, I got sausage, bacon, egg, pancake mix. Ooh, okay.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah,
You
I
won't
don't
be
want
able to
no
go to
pancakes,
work in that kitchen.
eggs, and the bacon.
You said you don't want the bacon?
No, I said we could take out the pancakes. I don't really care for the pancakes.
Oh, you're.
I love pancakes, but
Yeah, I
I go
love.
for the eggs, bacon.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. That's what I want to eat, actually. A bacon, egg, and cheese bagel. That sounds
Oh
good.
yes, it
You
do.
know, I think that's
Bacon,
what I got to get, guys.
sauce up on this mother lover.
Yeah, I think that's what it is, bacon.
He got your sauce out the cracking too.
Mhm.
Girl, what you doing to my baggie?
Let's go, guys. We had 1.9 likes. Thank you so much.
You be in the rankings?
No, I don't.
Okay.
I battle everybody from the rankings though, but I never.
Right, right, right.
Yeah, I was just battling a girl. She was like, I don't know. That said number four in the rankings. Luda.
Dang.
Yeah,
Yeah.
beat me like 8 times in a row. Yeah,
I would love to, but it's really a lot of dedication.
yeah.
And then I
But I
have
think
kids, and I can't just sit here and be on live all day. No,
I know.
like
I don't even
seriously.
have no that I can't do that all day.
That's what I'm saying. I just can't do it.
Do I want to
I,
try?
I would love
I,
to try. I think I could do the daily rankings or something. But to sit here and be in a weekly ranking, I don't think they do weekly rankings no more because
how to do the daily?
yeah, they do the daily because it's like dang, people ain't getting no sleep. Next thing you know, you're gonna hear something about on the news. Person
Yeah,
passes out
versus
going
God.
live
Yeah, dude. Mm.
from not getting enough sleep.
Yeah, exhaustion is real.
You know what I'm saying? And then people be so hungry for it. You still can't go. Wait, let me see. Oh, you got seven. You almost there. You got to go to the grow page. I be on the grow page a lot because I'm trying to get some 10K already.
What's the grow page? What's that about?
The grow page, you could type it in the search, and you
Yeah.
might see if it's live or not. That's when you go to build your followers up.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I
Mm-hmm.
remember back in the days they used to say grow.
Yeah, where everybody follow each other, and whoever don't
Yeah,
follow, don't follow them back.
yeah. I remember there used to be a dude, and he used to be peeling off like eggshells off an egg and
Oh, for real?
trying to keep the egg intact, but take the shell off. And he would do it
See,
with like these tweezers, and he had like 50,000 people in the room, all talking about grow, grow, grow. So
yeah, exactly, exactly.
I don't see him on anymore. I don't see the egg people no more.
Yeah, this one that you see is like somebody that's already like he got two phones or something, so you just see him following people.
Oh wow.
I'm like, that's probably the same live. They probably just screen record it and throw it on every day.
Yeah.
Cause ain't no way he's sitting there for hours following people back. That's all you see is him clicking, clicking, clicking. I'm like, ain't no
Okay.
way. He
Yeah.
start from 5 o'clock and then you go on at 5 o'clock. He's still clicking. It ain't the same person, and you ain't taking no break.
Yeah.
No,
She said, I don't like eggs unless they farm fresh, no store bought. Okay. Super mom eating the
hey,
fresh eggs.
don't play Macarade. Ray Ray. But yeah,
Yeah.
every free.
Yeah. I mean, I definitely want to get on the rank today if possible. That'd be nice.
Right.
I'm gonna actually cam up too, but
So for the governor, I would love to do it. Like I could do it today. Like I could pick a day that I choose to do it. But like every day, I can't do that every day. It's just no.
yeah, mom said that's why we have chickens. She live on a farm,
So what you gotta
so
do to get on the rankings? You gotta be here. Like you gotta be on here for the. Wait, let me see. You see how it says refresh in 20 hours?
no. Where you see that at?
When you go to daily rankings,
Oh, okay. We try to
it'll
click.
say refresh in 20 hours.
Yeah,
Yeah, I need 12.7K to reach 99.
12.7K. That you can get that.
That's what I'm saying. 12,000?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see the rising stars, because that'd be higher. Yep, 120K.
It says, "Am I eligible for daily rankings? All receive gifts."
See daily.
Go, go live screen tap settings. Oh, okay. That's how that works. I don't know.
I got 94. I got
Yeah.
505.
Okay, I got ranked set on. Allow
So
username.
basically, you gotta reach that goal basically where it says 12K diamonds. You gotta get 12K diamonds.
Oh, 12K. Hmm.
So in order for me to be 99, I gotta get 12K diamonds.
Hmm.
And then
Oh,
you have to stay on, so you keep working your way up. Cause as soon as you get off, you just gonna lose that spot.
you lose it, right?
Yep. Cause it goes so fast, you gotta be on top of it. Thank you,
Uh-oh.
my world. Wanna blow one more?
Welcome, guys. Welcome in. Mm-mm. That got me hungry with that bacon, though. Bacon, egg, and
I let
cheese.
somebody I let somebody roast me yesterday because they wanted to be in the
They
ranking. They were working their way.
were trying to
So
roast you.
no, they did roast me. They got the lion and everything.
What?
Yes. I think it was the baby lion.
What the hell could they say about you?
I was like, uh-uh.
I don't know how they could roast you. You beautiful.
They roasted me because I didn't have nobody in my life. I think I was like, I don't know. My life be real funny. Like TikTok give me access to a lot, but when it
Hmm.
comes to like pulling people in,
Yeah.
nope.
Oh wow.
For
How,
real. They know when to let people come in my life and when not to. No,
right.
seriously. They probably won't have me on the FYP or something.
Oh wow.
They won't have me showing somewhere where people won't be like, oh, Remy's on. Yeah, they know what they be doing.
Wow.
For real. Like I get my supporters that come in, like, when they can and stuff like that. But like for like everybody all over, no.
Mm.
Yep.
Mm-mm. Okay. Meaning they outgifted her love? Okay.
Did you get your subscription card?
Um, I've been hearing a lot about subscription. How do you do that?
Oh,
They
you
just
didn't
say,
get your. I don't know. One time I went live and it was like, congratulations.
oh, it'll hit you with that? Mm.
Yeah, they gotta give it to you.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me check. Is there a place to check if you already got it, maybe? Or probably
You can check your notifications.
okay, no. Yeah, I'm gonna check that out. Wait on.
Thank you, love, for the rose. Yeah,
So,
like
is it like a price for that, like that you set, or they set for you?
they set it for you. You don't
Uh,
do anything. Yeah, I
oh,
think I
that's
think it's
dope.
just like $5, five
That's
ninety
dope.
nine.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that works. That's dope. Cause I
it
have
helps.
a friend on here. He said he had like 19 subscribers already in 5 days. I said that's pretty cool.
Friday.
You know,
I
you
don't
said you
know.
got
I
your
was
button
ready
last week.
to trouble TikTok. No, seriously. Like I be trying,
Yeah,
and dang, how everybody else do it. And that motherfuckers, half of them be rude as hell.
they be rude, right?
They be mad rude.
Yeah,
Thank you for the lollipop, love, and the donuts.
the rudest people get the most.
A lot of people that's like in the rising stars and stuff, they be getting like gifts and stuff. I don't hear nobody saying thank you. Nobody.
Yeah, they don't even. They,
Yeah, like, that's
yeah,
crazy. I feel
they
like
do.
maybe y'all too spoiled.
Well, that's
Or I guess they feel like because they in the rising stars that they unstoppable, undefeated. I don't know. Thank you, love, for the lolly, the cake, the pretzel,
yeah.
the chicken.
I appreciate every tap, every gift, everything. Definitely, I appreciate. I remember
We talk
everything
about this
too.
in live a lot. When I be in group chats with other people, we talk about this a lot.
Yeah,
Like the
I
ones who are
appreciate.
trying to make it on live, like be
Mhm.
in that position in the rising stars or the daily rankings, whatever.
Yeah,
We be appreciating the gifts, the likes, and everything more versus people who are already up there and don't care.
yeah. So that was,
I did
they
that
don't.
to one person. I gift them, like I gave them a few little gifts, whatever, and okay, it's like they was still talking about whatever they talking about. Like, oh, so you ain't see what
Wow,
I just did.
wow.
I could have gave that to somebody else,
Exactly.
somebody else who would appreciate that. Cause
Yeah,
I'll just go and random people lives and gift them, like them up, whatever. If they ain't got that many likes, I get them to 1K, share the live. You know what I'm saying?
yeah. Definitely. Let's take her streak, guys. Let's get a snipe. Any snipers?
Look at
She
him.
said, "Yeah."
Well, thank
That's
you
it.
so much. You should go ahead on the slide. Talk about let's take her naked. That is too funny.
Let's see.
Hey, love, what you wanna spin around?
I'm chilling. Whatever you want to do.
Okay, we can run it back.
Okay. I'm just
I know
boosting your streaks.
it's
I'm
huh?
just this point. I said I'm just boosting your winning streak anyway at this point.
I don't want to hear that.
I'm adding to your streak.
She said I'm adding. All right, let's add and not take away.
Yeah, I'm just giving you wins.
It's in my purse.
Oh,
I
one of
need
her
to
people
change
over there.
now.
Hey, welcome, Doris. Oh,
Really, fatty? You ain't making a mess like this? You about to get it. You think it's funny?
you say Supermom? I said,
She got the whole water bottle. Like, ugh. Thank you for the likes, boo boo. Why your feet red at the bottom?
today.
This girl is fine out.
She doing?
Huh?
I said, what's she doing?
She just filled my water bottle, and now I don't know. She just made up her own little toy. What is that? Let me see.
But they say kids do the darndest things.
Telling you.
You know?
Thank you, baby. Give mommy. Let's see. Okay. She done found 15 cents.
Yeah.
Okay, baby. Me too. I gotta get some breakfast.
Oh yeah, I'm starving.
Okay, I see you switching up the picture. And I gotta change my turtle tank because they freaking stink. It's really their food. Their food is really what makes it stink.
Yeah, I think I need some pets.
Oh, you need some pets? I only got two tiny little turtles. They so little.
Oh, so
I know. I had a dog, but
yeah,
yeah.
I kind of want a dog. They so expensive.
Yeah. It was actually my daughter's father's dog, but then
Mm.
I kind of like took over it.
No, okay.
But I'm moving soon, so when it
Yeah,
comes to they're like So yeah, I gave her to the Humane Society,
nice.
um, and they put her up for adoption, and somebody adopted her.
That's good.
I mean,
Everybody,
people in the neighborhood wanted to buy her and stuff, but I'm just
mm,
like, man, I'd rather put her,
yeah,
do it, make sure that she's really taken care of, because
yeah, that's a good
scared to dog for
thing.
anything.
Yeah, dogs are like they're like kids at this point.
Definitely.
Bigger responsibility. Like I'm
I
raising
cried
a
for like
girl.
I cried for like a week straight. I did
Yeah.
because I had her for a while. I had her for like my
Oh,
daughter's about to be 3, so I had her for 2 years.
oh wow.
hmm
Yeah, I was dating this girl from college back in the day, and she had this dog. And that dog was like her kid. Like she slept in the bed with him, and she loved that dog. She would like rush home. No, it don't matter where she was, a different state. She would rush home to walk him every day.
Thank you,
I was,
beautiful.
I was like, that's a lot of dedication right there. Because if
Oh
I'm in
yeah,
another
that's how
state,
mine was.
yeah, if I'm in another state, I'm not rushing back. I'm chilling.
Oh no.
I don't have
Yeah,
no
that's how
pets.
mine was. She had to find a babysitter for the
Yeah,
dog, so she could
gotta
me or
really.
she find a dog sitter on the website.
She was just like, no, I gotta rush right back home
I'm telling you,
to walk the
mine
dog.
even bought. She even bought fresh chicken nuggets. If she brought the
Oh wow.
dog to me to babysit, she'd be like, "All right, I'm just at McDonald's picking up Brix's chicken nuggets." Okay,
We find
like
out
me and Brix cheering
the
them nuggets. Thank you, my world. Let's
dog.
go.
You beat
Thank
the
you,
hell.
beautiful MVP, my world. Make sure y'all follow my girl.
Yes. Shout out to my
Follow
lovely Remy. Make sure y'all following the beautiful Remy. Let's
Thank
go.
you.
Thank you for the battle, love.
Thank you, love. You have a good one.
All that good stuff. Yes. Take care, love.
Okay, love. I'll see you later.
All right. All right. All right. All right. Okay. 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 Oh, what you made for breakfast, Superman? What you made for breakfast, love? What you got on that stove sizzling right now? Cooking anything? Is that bacon sizzling right now? Got that hot chocolate ready? You said accept me? What you mean? You want a battle? Oh, I see. Guess right there. Oh, okay. You in the
Hey,
box? Hey, what's up?
how you doing?
I am laying down topless. What are you doing?
Really? Really?
What are you doing?
I'm driving. That's why you can't see me.
Oh, okay. He's on the road. Okay.
Yeah.
Keep him on 69.
Ain't nobody want a 69 with this face today.
Oh, yeah?
Shit.
I say that.
Because I look like crap.
Say that.
What?
Nah, I said, why you say that? When they're
I
69,
said
and
I look like crap.
when, but when you're 69, and you don't got to see nobody's face.
You're so funny.
No, no face, no case.
Uh-huh. I haven't even had coffee yet.
I know, right? You're like you need it to start your day. Like,
Yesterday was so horrible.
oh, yeah. How so?
It was like the worst day ever.
I'm not gonna lie. October has been one of the worst months ever, and it's your birthday month, and it was supposed to be a good month, celebration month,
Yeah.
and
Well, I wrecked my
it's my
van
brother's
yesterday.
birthday month. Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. It's been a horrible month. I'm not gonna lie. October,
Yeah.
like, all right, especially for Kanye West. That man's life is over. I know he's
Okay,
having
I'm
the worst
parked
month
now.
ever. But yeah, it hasn't been a good month.
What?
It has not been a good month.
No.
Oh, you on live? Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, Supermom in the building. Benita Banana in the building. What's up, Benita? Oh man, shout out to my. I forgot your birthday. Don't tell me that, Benita. I usually remember everybody's birthday. Supermom is on the name. Benita, when was your birthday?
You haven't been on though either.
October. Oh, it was on the 24th. Mm, damn, time flew. I don't even know what day it is. 26. Oh my god. Yeah, the last 2 weeks, guys, you gotta forgive me. I was just busy. No, no, Benita, my bad. Happy belated birthday, Benita.
Happy
Man,
belated birthday, Benita.
yeah, Benita. Oh wow. I won't hold it against you. Oh my God, Benita.
So yeah, yes, back to yesterday.
Damn, Benita. I gotta make some. I gotta make it up to you because you sent me that beautiful gift on my birthday. Oh man.
I sideswiped the fence,
Yeah,
backing
you did
out.
make me a birthday video, Benita. I'm sorry. Yeah, Benita. I'm gonna make it up to you because you were the only one who got me a gift for my birthday. And I appreciated that with the video.
I didn't know you on your birthday.
Yeah, I know, right? No, back then, Benita was the only person in the world who sent me something nice. I appreciated that. And I missed her birthday. I felt horrible. But yeah, thank you for the likes, Benita. I'm sorry about that, Benita. Wow, I missed your birthday. I'm sorry. Your hubby took you out with your boys for dinner. That's what's up. I'm glad. I'm glad he did that for you. I'm glad. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Yeah. Wow, I missed it. Sorry about that. Sorry. Yeah, Supermom. What you said, love? You said you had the worst day ever yesterday. What happened
Yeah.
yesterday?
I sideswiped the fence, backing
Oh,
out of the driveway.
oh wow. Damn. Oh yeah, you had the little burn mark on the forehead.
Yeah, that was Saturday.
Yeah,
I had to be
yeah,
at a party at 3 o'clock, and I woke up
yeah,
at 1. And I woke up at 1,
yeah.
and so I had to get two
Right.
kids ready
Yeah,
and myself. I mean, my hair looked good, so I guess that's all that matters.
yeah. Hey, you look good, so you good.
And then it's still there,
You
and
think it's gonna go away or it's gonna?
um, I don't know.
Like at this point, I don't even know. Let's.
Um,
It don't look too bad if it's gonna be like
I'm just gonna rock it. I
Uh,
mean,
listen, it doesn't look too bad. It's not bad, so you good.
my kids were like, "What are you trying to be, Harry Potter?" And I'm like, "Shut up."
Oh no, these kids say the darndest
So,
thing.
yeah. So, yeah. And then it rained yesterday. I dropped my phone in a puddle.
Oh wow, you're having good luck. Yeah,
Um, I
dropped
made
the.
coffee, took it to the bathroom. Harry Potter, not funny, Benita. Took it to the bathroom with me while I was doing my hair and my makeup for work,
Yeah.
and I forgot my coffee. So I said, "Screw it." I stopped at the gas station, got a Monster,
Oh wow, I like monsters.
came home, and slept on the couch till the kids got home.
Oh wow, wow, what
I
a
was supposed,
day.
yeah, I was supposed to have jury duty on Monday,
Oh no, jury duty, guys.
but it was my first day back to work after being off work, and I didn't want to miss work,
Yeah, you don't want to miss work.
so I didn't go. So I'm fucking stupid, and I'm a piece of shit, and yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
you're not all that, but
So
you're definitely not all that. Benita,
just
I like your profile picture. That's you took that recently for your birthday. I like that. Nah, Supermom, you're definitely not a piece of S or piece of doodle. You're definitely not. Don't say that.
that's just the words out of others' mouths.
Oh, okay. Well, they're not
Yeah,
right. They're
you
incorrect.
know. And he
Mm.
said that I'm gonna go to jail because I didn't go. And I'm like, if they're gonna come get me,
Nah, that's
please
not.
come get, like,
It's,
please come get me, because at least I'll get a break.
she said, yes,
So
indeed. Yeah, I see you. I see you, Benita. Nah, yeah, you get a break from them, but it's
yeah,
jury.
so
It's not like it's not too serious.
exactly. I'm like, well, I guess if they want to come hunt me down, they have my address.
That's they can replace a juror like it's nothing. You know what I mean? It's not the
Yeah.
end of the world. Anita, happy birthday! You looking like you 30 years old in your picture. Congratulations.
But
Yeah. Nah, it's a lot right now, Supermom. Yeah, shit. It's a lot of stuff.
yeah,
Gotta hang in there.
I am.
She said, "Thank you." 44. You're not 44, Benita. I don't want to hear that. You're not. You look 34. There's no way. Shout out to Benita, man. Man, Benita had a birthday and I missed it. Oh man.
So you want to see the damage?
Yeah. Let me
I
see.
don't know how well you're going to be able to see it right now, but I feel
Let's
like
see
I'm
the thing.
getting something. Leave my keys in here. If someone wants to take it, they can have it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, you can't see the scratches as bad today because it's been raining.
Live in Indiana. Oh, it's Scorpio season. Yeah, we was just in Libra season. Now Scorpio season for sure.
So it's like all dented in.
I can't see nothing, Supermom.
I know. Oh,
Oh, wow.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep. I did that.
Wow.
Hmm.
Wow.
That was me. I did that.
Man. Yikes. Ouch. Ouch, right?
He
Ouch.
said, "How did you sideswipe the fence?" I wasn't even going to tell him because I'm never going to hear the end of it. He said, "How did you sideswipe the fence?" I said, "Because I don't get the luxury of parking in the actual driveway. So when it's dark out and there's no light on that side of the driveway, I can't see anything. So
Man.
I'm about to just start parking up by the front door in the grass and then see."
Oh, wow. Likes, Bonita. We had 3.4K likes. Oh, yeah.
Okay, I thought that spider in the mailbox was dead the other day, and it's not because it's no longer there. That's why I haven't checked the mail. But ain't nothing for me, so.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna go in here and check on this kid
Okay. All right, Supermom.
and then get ready for work. She'll be all right while I'm at work for 2.5 hours.
Yeah, hopefully your kid feels better.
I asked her if she wanted to stay home because my mom texted me and she's like, Briley's sick.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm like, so I asked her, I'm like, do you want to stay home? And she's like, yeah. And I'm like, okay, well, if you stay home, then like you're going to rest all day. You're not going to be up running around. And she's like, well, then I'm just going to go to school. And I'm like, yeah, that makes a lot of sense. So you're really not sick. And then she was like, she gets in the van and then she says, no, I really don't
Well, like,
feel good. And I'm like, okay, well, then stay home. Like, so
mm,
yeah.
yeah. I tell you, being a parent isn't easy, guys. It is not easy. I mean, I don't have any kids yet, so I just be watching all my friends with kids go through it. It's something. It is something.
It's cold out here.
Yeah, it looks kind of cold. It looks windy.
It's rainy.
It's a gloomy day. But I like your sweater. The hoodie is dope. Yeah, it's dope. Yeah, yep, yep. I like it. Styling and profiling up too. Hair,
Yeah.
hair blowing in the hair's just breezy, just
No,
blowing.
look, I didn't even brush it.
She just letting her hair
This is
blow
how
in
this
the
is
wind.
how I woke up.
Right? Just woke up with perfect hair. Benita said, "No, it's
Always.
not." Always. She don't even need a comb. It's ready to go. She said, "Ooh, love that hoodie. Yeah, that hoodie, right?
Thank you.
Did you
I
make
only
that
need
hoodie?
no.
Oh, okay.
I haven't made nothing in a while.
Really?
Yeah. Oh wait, I take that back. I made a breast cancer awareness shirt for Briley to wear to school,
Oh, okay. That's what's up. So,
but that's it.
Bonita, yeah.
Oh, and then I made the stencils for the kids' pumpkins that they carved on Sunday.
I forget Halloween is coming up. Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of pumpkins.
Um,
Like
the
some pumpkin.
dog likes pumpkin, and so
Yeah,
he kind of like my
pumpkins.
my 7-year-old carved better than
Really?
um anyone. Hold
Look at
that's
oh
his.
wow.
That's
Yeah,
mine.
yours is better. What are you talking about? Let me see the
And
other one.
then that's Zoe's.
It's okay.
That's Briley's.
What the?
It's supposed to be a horse, but its
Oh,
leg broke off.
that's a horse. Okay.
And then that's his. That didn't even turn out.
Uh, what was that one?
I don't.
Lord,
So he. Hold
it's
on.
cool, right? Right, Benita. I haven't carved a pumpkin since I was in like elementary school, but I love the energy. I love the holiday, the festivity. New
I'm
York
being
City,
stared
we
at.
don't we don't got as many pumpkins.
The dog's staring at me.
The dog. The,
Look,
oh wow. Oh, that's a little spooky.
don't bark at me.
Wow. Watching.
He always does. But yeah, his was supposed to be a minion,
Yeah.
and it didn't work out. Like he cut him. He like sliced his finger like twice. I was laughing so hard.
Oh wow.
I'm like, that sucks.
That sucks.
And then
Eat your
he's
fingers.
like,
Doris.
he
Well,
was like, he was like, if I wouldn't have sliced my fingers, it would have turned out. And I'm like, yeah, okay. And then he tried to do something else with it, and it didn't work out. And it was funny because like that was originally Gannon's pumpkin, and he talked Gannon into switching him, but Gannon was like, it's gonna cost you. And he was like, what do you mean? And Gannon goes, I'll give you a quarter. And Gannon goes, no, make it $1.25 and it's yours. So he was like wheeling and dealing with him. I'm like, you just paid $4.25 for a pumpkin that you screwed up.
that's crazy.
He's like, I can't believe I had to pay for it. I paid for it twice. And I said, that's because that kid takes after me. He knows how to get what he wants.
Uh-oh.
So, all right. Really. All right. I'm for real gonna go in now
You know what I
and
mean?
check on this kid.
Okay. Okay.
I'll talk to you later.
Talk to you later. Take care, boo. They should have never let me get these sound effects. I'm telling you. Bonita, Jenny K. Welcome. Bonita laughing. Oh man. Listen, cheers to everybody who's in the room rocking with us. We just discovered these damn sound effects. We're gonna be going crazy today. Bless mommy, welcome. Welcome in, guys. Let me charge my phone. I'm at 4.2K likes. We are in the massage bed right now, laying down, topless, shirtless. Got the thermals on. Yeah, just relaxing right now, Benita. Everybody wish Benita Banana a happy birthday. She just turned 24. She's about to go eat breakfast. Nice, must be nice. Enjoy your breakfast, love. Enjoy that breakfast. What you about to eat for breakfast, Benita? I'ma live through you. Supermom is back. She's asleep. I think I'm about to take a nap. Keep yawning. Yeah, I'm tired. And I'm hungry. Tired and hungry. Not a good combination. I have zero energy. I might make some oats. Oatmeal. Okay. I gotta lay down. All right, love. Well, I'm gonna be back on here for sure earlier. Well, be back on here maybe like early afternoon, noonish. I definitely need a nap. Oh, oh man. Yeah. Oh yeah. But take care, love. See you soon. Take care, Supermom. Hope I made you feel a little better. Green Living God, welcome. Shout out to Green Living God, as seen on in Forbes. I seen him in Forbes. Did you? Green Living God in the building. Green eyes, green Green Living guys, send me a line. Let's go. Send your boy a line. I seen it Forbes. I see you. I need some breakfast right now, man. This is crazy. Somebody just got a universe. Size matters. Nice. Must be nice. Wish I could get a universe. Yeah. Yeah, guys. I'll be back later.